I've flown all the way from Chennai, especially for this workshop in Europe, where we take care of all the customers.
This is a great platform where we meet customers across different verticals. And if you're someone who loves networking and loves to learn new things, and yes, I guess this is the best place.
Unlike our other flagship events, we do this for a very close set of audience where you get to know about each other. You get to spend enough time with the Zoho experts who travel all the way from India, and the team that is based out of UK as well.
Great thing about this is you have access to the product people here, right? So it's a rare opportunity to meet the product people who are from back in India, and you get to meet both advanced users as well as basic users who get an opportunity to mingle and get their ideas cross-pollinated.
So you get to meet a lot of Zoho users, talk to them, and you get to know how to use our platform to its fullest.
So it's not just learning, right? So here it's more like you're going to interact or you're going to network with other customers. Second thing, it's going to be more about hands-on sessions where we're going to give them tasks, or they're going to bring in their business scenario, they're going to work on the business scenario, we're going to help them if they have a problem. So all that hands-on, that's the most important thing I would say of this workshop. We have different events happening, but workshop is where real business problems are discussed, and we sort that for them.
The sessions are designed in such a way that it feeds all the audience, including the new users or the heavy users. So we have articulated the agenda throughout in such a way that everybody has a takeaway.
So we had a mix of audience. So we had like people who are very basic and little basic and intermediate. We started off the session a little slow, and then we went on with an intermediate level, and then people were, it's a work-along session.
So every section there's always how to get started and how to get advanced. So that's how we formatted it.
So even if you're an advanced user or a beginner, you have something to learn out of it. So it's for everyone.
We had a lot of customers who were very excited to try out all the features that we had in the platform, and the customers were keep on asking a lot of questions about the product. So yeah, obviously it went very interactive.
The sessions have been really interactive, and we've been getting a lot of really great questions that I have had a chance to even bubble up to the entire flow so that everybody else can use that information. And we've been having some one-on-ones as well, some deeper conversations there. I hope those were really helpful for the customers.
We have amazing food, great coffee, and a lot of chats happening during the breaks.
Yeah, we had obviously the AI. So we have a lot of AI features in the platform. So one such feature is the AI agent. So every attendees or the customers were very interested in learning about all the AI features in the platform.
AI has been a really deep focus, especially for the analytics journey. We want to have a pervasive AI experience wherein we have agentic assistants available in every part of the analytics journey. So we've peppered it throughout our sessions for the couple of days, and still more to come. So it's something to add to their resume as well, and definitely a great skill set to have.
We also provided the participation certification for every customers who were attended. So that is going to be an added value for everyone who has came to the workshop.